Before we proceed further, I would like to, just by looking at the title itself, you guys can guess by now. So the sleep-wake disorders or sleep-wake data is actually the main parameter, the data parameters that tells you how you are aging, what's your brain age is. That's the most important thing. So I'll give you an overview of Alzheimer. Most of you know familiar with Alzheimer's, what is an Alzheimer disease and related dementias. It's an umbrella term. It's an umbrella of dementia category. So the problem is actually the frequent memory loss, frequent forgetfulness. That's the biggest thing that the people will be having it. It's a different types of dementias. Alzheimer is one of them. And if you look at vascular dementia, Lewy body dementias, and there are many other categories, 4 or 5 categories that comes under the same umbrella. Each one has different signs. So the categorization would be different. But how they are coming, why they are coming, it's different thing. Cultures, the lifestyle is one of the main thing. And the work that you do in your regular life, the food that you eat, the nutrition deficiency is one of the main parameters that is causing this condition too. So that's about Alzheimer's on the very high level. The statistics and impact. Is there any clue that how many people are actually dementia or Alzheimer's patients or conditioned with Alzheimer's today in the US? Any guesses? Wild guesses would be allowed too. There's no gift, but yeah. 10% of the older people total. So total 70 million population we have in the country. And exactly, 10% of the population among the older adults. I'm sorry, there is no gift. But I'll buy you something for you. So 10% of the older adults, among older adults, 10% of the population are having this condition called Alzheimer's dementia.